Hindi pa rin ginawa? Have you ever wondered why your team members don't follow new procedures even if you've already clearly explained them? Let me share a lesson that my coaching client Maggie learned the hard way. Dati, kapag may bagong procedure, nagpapadala siya ng isang detalyadong email. Akala niya, tapat na yon para agad-agad sundin ng team. Tapos, nagugulat siya. Bakit hindi nila nagawa ang tama? Hindi naman kasi ganun kadali, di ba? There was a time she introduced a new inventory system. Ang ganda ng email niya, complete pa with step-by-step instructions. But after 1 week, nalaman niya na iba-iba pa rin ang ginawa ng team niya. Naku, grabe ang frustration ni Maggie. Kaya I asked her, did you confirm if they actually understood everything? And it was only then that she realized na kulang pala ang one-way communication. You see anak, hindi sapat ang mag-send lang ng instructions. You have to make sure that they understand and that they know how to apply the new procedure. And so, Maggie started conducting short training sessions after announcing the new procedures. Nagbigay siya ng pagkakataon para magtanong ang team for any clarifications. Ang lesson ay ito: effective communication requires confirmation of understanding. Communication is not just about sending information. Remember, it's about ensuring that it is received and understood correctly. Ganun dapat para maging business-minded Pinoy.